Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A'udzubika bikalimatillah tamah min kulli syaitanin wa hammah wa min kulli ainin nammah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi anni maghlubun fantasir. Rabbi ighfir warham wa anta khairur rahimin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Innallahu Innahu min Sulaiman wa innahu bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ala ta'lu alayya wa'tu'ni muslimin. Salam satu syahadah, unite in syahadah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Video ini adalah rumusan kepada episod 1, 2 dan 3. Saya nak rumuskan, anda agak faham, tapi harapnya anda dah tengok episod 1, 2, 3 baru anda faham episod ini. This episode is a summary of what I have done in 1, 2 and 3. Episode 1 and 2 and 3. I hope you have already watched the 1, 2 and 3. This is the episode where I want to say what is the point of episode 1, 2 and 3. Episode 1, 2, 3 sebenarnya saya nak menunjukkan pertama, di manakah Pulau Dajjal? Adakah Dajjal sudah ada? Dan apakah yang dan siapakah Pulau Dajjal tu sebenarnya apa? Di mana? Kedua, saya nak tunjukkan Ya'juj Ma'juj itu sudah keluar. Dia dah ada di kalangan kita, dan setiap orang yang berada di Pulau Dajjal, yang menjaga Dajjal, yang menyembah Dajjal adalah daripada keturunan Ya'juj Ma'juj. Ya'juj Ma'juj dan Dajjal ni, dia adalah berkaitan. Dajjal adalah ketua kepada Ya'juj Ma'juj ni. Sebab tu bila Dajjal dibunuh Nabi Isa, Ya'juj Ma'juj ni bersatu, baru keluar ramai-ramai melawan orang Islam. Sebab Nabi Isa membunuh Dajjal. Ya'juj Ma'juj itulah orang-orang di Britain, di Amerika, di Israel. Dia berada di satu dunia dah. Caucasian dan juga orang-orang di Mongol dan China, India dan sebagainya. Dia dah berasimilasi. Diaspora spesies, subspesies tu dah banyak di Eropah, even di Arab Saudi. So what I want to say is, in the second episode, I show who is Gog and Magog, and what is the relation of Gog and Magog with the Dajjal, the Antichrist. The Dajjal is said to be a Jew. Gog and Magog is a Jew lineage of Khazarian Jew from the Caucasus Mountain, spreading throughout all the world, into Israel, into Iran, into Saudi Arabia, into Asia, China and Mongol, and into Europe, and to Britain, and from Britain to America. This is Gog and Magog. Gog is the leader. Magog is the subspecies throughout the world. So the one that is taking care, worshipping the Antichrist in Britain is the Gog and Magog. These two, Gog and Magog, and the Antichrist is related. They take care of, Gog and Magog take care of the Dajjal. The Dajjal also is a Khazarian Jew. He is the king of the Gog and Magog. And that is why when Jesus come, Nabi Isa alaihi salam come, the Gog and Magog will come out. Come out meaning they will unite together and fight Nabi Isa and the Muslim, because Nabi Isa killed their leader. So now, what is the worst fitnah of Dajjal? It is democracy. So in 1, 2 and 3, I link all this together. Dajjal is in Britain. The Ya'juj Ma'juj is all around the world, especially in Britain and USA. They are taking care. Dajjal is spreading the fitnah already. The knowledge, the sihir, the technology, the technology in military, in science, in pharmaceutical, vaccine and all is from Dajjal. And then he created democracy, the banking system, to enslave the whole world in his command. So they can slave the human in democracy, the system, and also the banking system that the democracy brought. Democracy is the biggest fitnah of the Dajjal. It divides us not to unite with each other. It divides us in race. It divides us in religion. And from democracy comes out all this ism, ideology and ism, secularism, liberalism, whatever ism coming out from democracy. All the evil plans of Dajjal to enslave the human race. So now the point from 1, 2, 3 is Dajjal is already there, waiting to come out, waiting for all his chains and cuffs to come out. The Ya'juj Ma'juj is already around the world. And the biggest fitnah from Dajjal, the fitnah has already come out with a lot of things. Wahhabi, Shia, democracy, vaccination, riba, taxes, all the ism, secularism, liberalism, is all from democracy. So the fitnah of Dajjal is already here. We are in the fitnah. We are living the fitnah. We are doing the fitnah. We also have Ya'juj Ma'juj. Ya'juj Ma'juj is not a monster. It is not coming out from ice. It's not coming out from the cave. It is not coming out from underneath the earth. Jadi maksudnya Dajjal tu dah ada. Ya'juj Ma'juj tu dah ada di sekeliling kita. Fitnah Dajjal terbesar adalah demokrasi. Daripada demokrasi lah keluarnya riba, daripada bank, cukai, daripada dan semua ism, secularism, liberalism, homoseksual, LGBT, segala bentuk kejahatan keluar daripada demokrasi. Jadi kita sedang hidup di dalam fitnah itu, bukan tunggu Dajjal. Dajjal dah lama ada. Ya'juj Ma'juj dah ada lama dah. So Ya'juj Ma'juj, Dajjal, British dan demokrasi ni berkaitan. Itu yang saya nak sampaikan dalam episod 1, 2, 3. Engkau masuk demokrasi, kau kufur. Itulah kehebatan Dajjal. Engkau tolak hukum Allah, engkau jadi kafir. Engkau tak sedar, engkau jadi kafir. So harapnya you faham episod 1, 2, 3 apa yang saya nak sampaikan. Ini adalah video saya terakhir bulan ini kerana saya mempunyai kekangan. Saya tak bekerja. Sebab saya OKU. Saya tidak ada income yang fix bulan-bulan. Jadi saya ada masalah untuk membayar elektrik, bayar bil telefon yang meningkat hampir 200% sebab saya banyak guna beli AI, lesson editing dan juga data saya upload ini. Jadi saya tak dapat nak membuat banyak video. Saya hanya kena tunggu sebulan sekali je saya boleh dapat buat video insyaAllah. Ini adalah video saya yang terakhir bulan ini. Terima kasih kerana menonton, menyokong. Thank you for watching, supporting. Take care. Take care of your faith. Take care of Quran, Hadith. Unite in one syahadah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.